One. All right, guys, this is a great product that I didn't realize how essential it should be in every person's home. This is an under the sink caddy slash organizer. So this bottom shelf actually comes out. There's two of these. So two of these come in the pack. You've got a cool little storage thing on the front. Now you could use this under your kitchen sink or under your bathroom sink. I'm going to use it under both. What I like about it is I have a small bathroom. There's not a whole lot of space to be able to store stuff, but I'm also like, I like things to be very functional and be able to get to them, and I can't right now. So this is going to allow me to store a lot of the stuff that I can't fit on my kitchen or my bathroom counter under the sink, but still be able to just open the cabinet, pull this out, and get whatever I need right off of it. So basically, these were super easy to build. You also have hooks on the side where you can store stuff as well. But these are going to fit under your cabinet. You can also adjust the size. So if you want it to be higher or lower, depending on the size of the cabinet that you're putting it under, that's great. I mean, here's the thing. You don't need to just put this under your cabinet. You could have this on your kitchen counter or in your laundry room, storing some stuff on it that you want to be able to slide out and use as well. They also come with 6 microfiber cloths, just like this. Nice cleaning towels, because we can never have too many of those. And at the end of the day, these do a great service. I didn't realize how important they are. You've got the fixed shelf on top. You have the slide out shelf on the bottom with a divider for 3 sections times 2. You got 2 of these. And I would say get a set for your bathroom and get a set for your kitchen, which also means get a set for your other bathroom. And if you have another bathroom, get a set for that too. All right, guys, and here is one of them in action. We've got it set up under my sink. I've got my toothbrush and my flosser set right in that front unit. Have some other stuff like a back trimmer, extra toothpaste on the top, and then my slide out, the caddy part, is where I have my trimmers that I use often, my toothpaste, things that I need more accessible on a daily basis. So I love this. I think it's super useful for under cabinet, whether in your bathroom or your kitchen. I say get one for all of them.